Welcome to our Slow English podcast.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Slow English. Today we're talking about a global event that everyone is watching, the G20 Summit of 2025. And what makes this year special is that, for the first time, the summit is held in Africa. The leaders of the world will meet in Johannesburg, South Africa. What is the G20? The G20 is a group of the world's biggest economies, countries that control most of the global trade and money. They meet every year to discuss problems facing the world, like the economy, climate change, energy, and development. In simple words, what they decide affects all of us. Why is the 2025 summit important? This is the first time the G20 is held on African soil. It is a big moment for the African continent and for millions of young people who want a stronger future. Africa wants a bigger voice in world decisions. Hosting the G20 sends a message. Africa is ready to lead. What will they discuss this year? This year the leaders will talk about many important topics, including 1. The global economy and rising prices. 2. Climate change and extreme weather. 3. Energy and the future of fossil fuels. 4. Development and support for African countries. Why does this matter to you? You might ask, why should I care about the G20? Because the decisions made at this summit affect jobs, prices, education, climate, and the economy in your country. Also, understanding global events helps you improve your English and your awareness of the world. When you learn English through real news, you learn faster and remember better. So, what do you think? Do you believe hosting the G20 in Africa will make a positive change? Tell me your opinion in the comments, in English if you can. Useful English words for today: summit, leaders, economy, climate change, development. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Slow English, and share it with a friend who loves learning English. See you in the next episode. Bye.